Hey everyone, this is Brennan from Colton RV, and we are at the 2022 New York International Auto Show at the Javits Center in the heart of New York City. We are super excited to be representing Grech at the show this year and introducing the automotive world to a reimagined road trip. We have two Class B motorhomes on display here on the first level of the show, right next to the all-new electric vehicle test track. So let's go take a look. Here we have the 2022 Grech Strada Lounge. This is Grech's flagship model. Built on a Mercedes chassis, the Strada has the highest level of standard equipment in its class, with luxurious amenities and functional features that elevate your motorhome experience. On the outside, we have a custom-built fiberglass body. Really wide, nice, well-lit awning for when you're outside enjoying the sun but you want a little bit of shade. Really shiny, really heavy-duty alloy wheels and heavy-duty stainless steel steps. And on the other side, we have a stainless steel concealed utility center that has all your hookups, and when you're not using them, close them up, put them out of the way. Let's go get in the driver's seat of this bad boy. We gotta check out the cockpit. So the first thing you notice when you sit down in the Strada is just how comfortable these seats are. Grech hand stitches these seats, and they're made of ultra leather with memory foam. So no matter how long your road trip is, you're gonna be comfortable. Probably one of my favorite things with the Strada is this nice wide touchscreen entertainment center. This thing connects right to your phone. If you have Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, Bluetooth, however you want to connect, you can connect your phone, play your music, I'll sync all your contacts, take your calls through there, everything like that. And the thing about this screen for the navigation, because it's so wide, you get a nice view of your trip and your path ahead. So you get a preview of where you're headed and what the traffic looks like, how long it's going to take you to get there. And of course, most important for this thing, we have a backup camera that's going to let you park it. And as we head back toward the kitchen, we have two more full-size captain chairs. These are again hand-stitched UltraLeather Memory Foam chairs, so if you have passengers, they'll be just as comfortable as you are. Right behind the captain's chairs, we have Firefly Integrations control system. This is going to control all of your lights, your awning, all of the LED accent lights. Everything like that is all housed from this system here. It's a really smart, really simple, intuitive system to use. In the kitchen, it's a full kitchen. It's going to have everything you need. We have hardwood cabinets, quartz countertops, microwave, a fridge, and a dual burner propane cooktop. And right across from the kitchen, we have the wet bath, which includes a window, a sink, porcelain toilet, and a shower. Everything you need to get ready for the day or wash off a day of camping. And at the very back of this 24-foot coach, you're gonna find just tons of storage. I mean, all the way around the back, there's just cabinets, nice, deep, tall cabinets, so you can fit all of your stuff up in there. And of course, we have the really beautiful blue LED accent lights all the way around. Really gives it a nice luxurious limousine kind of feel. And then at the back, more memory foam, more ultra leather. This time, it's a powered sofa bed. So you can fit more passengers back here, but it also doubles as a bed. This thing is gonna fold out into a sleeping surface that's gonna be unbelievably comfortable for you to rest at the end of the day. All right, well that just about wraps up the Strada. Let's go take a look at the Turismo-ion 4x4. The Turismo-ion is going to have really similar interior features to the Strada. It's got the same luxury, the same features, but it's just in a more compact, more agile package. The 4x4 system on the Turismo-ion with the heavy-duty alloy wheels give you a nice smooth ride when you're on the road, but it allows you to take the adventure off-road. The included lithium-ion battery system in this Turismo provides clean and quiet energy to the whole motorhome. On the inside, the Turismo looks a lot like the Strada. You have the same hand-stitched leather seats with touchscreen navigation up front, a full kitchen with a sink, and an induction dual burner cooktop. The same convenient wet bath is just across the way. And as we get to the back, it's a very similar setup to the Strada, just a little more compact. There's still tons of storage, the same gorgeous LED trim, and memory foam powered sofa bed. The 2022 New York International Auto Show runs through Sunday, April 24th. These Grech Class Bs are even cooler in person, so if you're coming to the show, make sure you check them out. But if you can't make it to the show, you can find all of our motorhomes online at coltonrv.com.